So, as me say, my people, we're there back with.
Look like the dancer, man.
That is it, look like the dancer. You see what I say? Out there, we're going to ask some question. You ready for your question, MJ?
Yeah, we're up, yeah.
You ready?
Hopeful. Yeah.
The one you're hard, you know. You have to think about. No, in laugh.
Alright, come on, we'll see what happens.
You never see the rest of the show?
No,
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Alright, so. Which artist have the breakout hit chosen? Think about it, you know. Think about it.
Breakout artist, our hit, what name?
Yeah, chosen.
Yeah.
Nervous, man. Look at that. Calm down, no man. Just
Yeah, take mine. Chosen.
calm down. Your name started R. Short artist.
Name started R?
Yeah. R.
R.
St. Thomas. Cookie jar. Oh. Yeah, you know it now. You have to rate me. You say you have to rate me. You see it? Who that? You have to tell it. Ritical. Talk
Yeah,
like, tell them.
Ritical.
Alright, you have to talk now.
Yeah, oh, and I talk of
You
it.
see it?
Yeah, Ritical.
You see it?
Yeah.
Which parish Labas come from?
Labas, Parish. St. Thomas.
Alright. Next question. We're still around a 5 minutes question then. Easy. Alright. So which dancehall artist sing the song with the lyrics? Girl, me just love how me connect like Wi-Fi.
Next stand up, man.
Hey!
Don't say
Hey!
more stuff talk, yeah?
Hey!
Cause it's easy. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Security them a care vengeance, you know.
Yeah, okay. That one the easy still.
They wanna easy.
Did I get that one?
Did I get that? You
Yeah,
sure?
I get that one.
I will say if I get that one. Lieutenant Stitch's song Under My Slang Thing released in 1985. True or false? This is a bonus question. Courtesy of Magnum. If you get this, 2 Magnum. If you don't get it, no Magnum. But big up Magnum.
Alright, honestly, true, me I go with false.
You go with false?
Yeah. I'm sure about it. I go with false.
Why you say false?
Those are our feelings.
Your other feelings there?
Yeah, me I go.
Tell the truth. Me I read. I see you see it of it. You see answer. Tell it. You can't talk, you know. You can't talk.
Boy,
You know.
how wicked.
The people have never seen it. You see it of it.
No, see that.
Okay, alright.
We don't feel myself false.
Alright.
So, true, I'm telling you, so just through every question we ask,
Yeah.
true or false, everybody say true. We just feel like we're going false.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, that
we
makes
go.
sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Round 2. You see me I say? $1,000 question. You see me I say? Which dancehall artist featured Tory Lanez on the song called Weekend?
Tory
Lanez.
Weekend.
Yeah. Boga yo.
Yeah, that's one.
The one different. Yeah, man.
Tory Lanez.
Yeah.
Weekend.
Which dancehall artist? International artist. See it?
Oh, the dancer, the international.
Yeah.
Weekend.
Yeah. Tory Lanez.
Oh, Tory Lanez.
Yeah. Which dancehall artist features Tory Lanez on the song Weekend?
Weekend.
It's a weekend. No, joke. Don't follow me. No.
Wait, say Tory Lanez.
Alright, me I get a hint. Man, Jada do a viral video together. 5.
I take skill.
Skill bang. Alright, next.
Next. Yeah.
You know that wrong though, no?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
I just.
Yeah. Which female dancehall artist sing the song Santa Daddy?
Santa Daddy.
Yeah.
Female.
Yeah. Female. Yeah, she skate up on bike. Sumfest.
Oh, Mayan. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. What's Spice's real name?
Grace Hamilton.
Come again?
Grace Hamilton.
Okay. Alright, round 3. One wrong, right?
Yeah, one.
Yeah. $2,000 question, you know, so they might go hard, you know.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Thinking box.
Yeah. Alright. Which artist sing the song with the lyrics? When it's gonna be my time to shine.
Oh. Yeah, Latin man.
Oh?
Latin man.
Okay. Which Jamaican dancer invent the world dance?
Oh. Bogle man. Gerald Levy man.
Oh?
Bogle. Gerald Levy, aka Gerald Levy.
Last question for round 3. Active.
Yeah. Look like I final this.
Alright, final round.
Yeah.
Zane, get this wrong?
Yeah.
God go with you. You know what I mean? If you get it right, you know where thing go. See?
Yeah.
Alright. Which artist did Beanie Man feature on his song Girls Them Sugar?
Which artist is a female, right? Girls them sugar.
Female,
Yeah man, with Maya man.
Who?
Maya.
Sure you right?
Listen.
No, me ask. No, you.
hold on,
No,
hold
me
on.
ask you.
Hold on, tell me what, listen. Girls them sugar.
Yeah.
So it's a female.
Female, yeah.
Girls them sugar.
Yeah.
Maya.
Maya, is it?
Yes, I like that. Listen.
Hey, where you go? You don't know no more?
Yeah? No, when I get it right, so I'm going to try again.
You want to try again?
No, what's the Maya?
No, you win 9,500, so me I say. No, me I say you win 9,500, so talk to your camera, mommy at home, family member, you don't know, talk to them.
Yeah, we got my mother, you know, she named Dana Arman. Yeah.
They're proud of you, you know. Alright. Yeah, so there you have it. Big up Jussbuss Weh Yuh about dancehall. Your boy, you know, crazy there, yeah. I want to vibe with a nice street, downtown, as me say, waterfront. You see me? And we're forward back. Pim! Run up the like button, share and subscribe for more Jussbuss Weh Yuh about dancehall. Pim!